Alright, so I'm back at it again. This is going to be the second trip out in the new boat. We're going to run up, got a stretch up here. We're going to try to do some bumping. Then we've got some holes that we're going to spot lock on after it gets hot behind some rock dikes. Going to run a little new water today. We're still on the Mississippi River, but it's in some places that we don't fish very much. I'm not sure if I've got any videos out on the stretch we're fishing today, but anyway, I think it's going to be good. They should bite. Got here a little late. Actually got up at 4 this morning, but nothing's went right, so it's going to be 8:30 probably by the time I've got a bait in the water. But it is what it is. We'll see what happens. Y'all come along with me. All right, so I'm setting up on the first spot now. I said we were going to bump first, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and just suspend some rods. I found some fish here pretty quick. Ran over here. I caught a good sized buffalo. Yeah, can I use buffalo for bait? I guess so. I caught a good sized buffalo in the cast net. I'm gonna chop him up. Got some good fresh bait there. I got some skipjack that were caught yesterday. I got a live bluegill out on this rod right here now, about hand size. I'm just gonna kind of let the camera run on it while I'm getting everything else together, just in case it gets crushed. But we shall see. Still got my bluegill off the front. These back rods back here. I actually just cut up one skipjack, so they all got skipjack on those. I may put out a couple more rods. This bluegill up here so lively, I keep having trouble with him running across and getting in my other lines, so I may just leave him up front by himself and keep these 3 rods going back here for a little bit. See what happens, but one way or the other, I'm going to definitely miss a takedown, whether it be on the back or this rod over here. I've got to get me another GoPro and get me a couple of angles going. Here we go. Just talking about it, and there he is. Forget about my catfishdesigns.com, by the way. Oh, this dude's barely hooked. Just barely hooked. There we go. Pull it on through there. What I was saying, I almost tripped over my rod holder here from catfishdesigns.com. My cutting board and my rod holder are from Catfish. If y'all don't know about them, which most of you probably do, but if you don't, go check them out. Nice little blue cat to start the morning. Good little fish. We'll get him back, get baited back up, try to get another one. I got that rod baited back up, back out. I put a man, I keep wanting to see that bluegill get hit so bad. I put a pretty good chunk of bloody carp on there, that fresh one that I just cut up earlier. We'll see if they like it better than these skipjack. Of course, the skipjack done the job. That's what I caught the last one on. But got a variety of bait with me today. Got shad, got live black salty, live bluegill, skipjack, and then the buffalo. So we'll see. Usually I'm targeting bigger fish, but we're kind of in the spawn right now, so I'm I'm definitely not just hung up on the bigger fish. I got some smaller hooks on and out. You know, a little later on I'll put out some more rods, maybe some bigger baits, bigger hooks, but right now we're just trying to catch fish. I'm not sure if he's on, but this rod here just had a good hit. Now I know what happened. Hook turned back into the bait. Man, oh man. Get it back down, try to get him again. Well, I'm gonna get these rods reeled up. I done gave this spot about as long as I want to, at least for now. We may stop back by on the way. We're gonna run up river. I got a spot up here I want to go bump. We'll probably run up there and spend 45 minutes to an hour. We're gonna make our way back down. May stop here again, scan another hole over here, or we may run on down to the next spot I got planned. Not 100% sure yet, but right now we'll get everything rolled up. We're gonna make a move. Alright, so I ran up river. The river's just running way too fast to bump up there where I was going to bump at. So I came back down here to the spot where I started, but I moved on over to about a 60-foot hole right out here and marked a ton of fish. Got a fish right here. Drifted back over this 60-foot hole. I marked several fish here. I wasn't here about 10 minutes. Another dink, but it's fish. Gonna get that baited up, drop it back down. I had just started on my lunch when he nailed it. Like I said, it was a small fish, but hey, it's fishing. Good day of fishing. Do you ever just feel tired, run down, unenergetic? Is unenergetic a word? I don't know. I don't know. If you do, just have yourself a Grand Prairie. Of course, before I heard a rod go down. Have yourself a Grand Prairie chocolate fudge something or other, Nutri-Grain, whole wheat, some kind of bar. And then if you follow it up with a good old dip of classic mint Skull, it'll boost you right up. You'll be wide-eyed and bushy-tailed. By the way, I'm not pushing for you youngsters to be dipping Skull. It's a terrible habit. You should never start it. But if you do, classic mint, that's the only way to go. Nah, don't start it. All right, enough goofing off. I'm getting back to fishing. I was sitting here goofing off of my phone. Looks like we're getting another bite right there. I'm not sure if he's... there he goes. Yeah. He is still there. Uh-oh. I believe he's stuck. Oh, yeah. He's stuck. It's number 3. Do the old flipperoo on him. Man, these fish like this, you can just come out here and catch them all day long. Whether you're hungry or just wanting to have a little fun. Good times. We'll get that one baited up, get her back down, get another one. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. There's another one on. Maybe a little better fish here. Yeah, this one's got a little weight to him. I knew there was a couple of good fish that I marked. I figured eventually I'd get on a decent one. Fish are super active today. What I'm talking about. We're getting a little better quality fish. Really make a good day out of it. There we go. A little better fish, about, oh, probably 15 pounds. 12, 15 pounds, something like that. Got a little heavy, a little heft to him. A little heavy. Definitely better than the ones we've been catching. Good fish. We'll get him back and try that again. He was ready to go too. You know, it's funny how these fish do. Everything I've caught today has come off of skipjack body sections. Ain't getting no bites on the head pieces. The other day when we were out here, when I had Lisa with me, all I could get them to bite was Asian carp. Today, the secret seems to be small skipjack body sections on smaller hooks. It's funny how they change from day to day. I believe we got another one. If he didn't come loose. No, I believe he's still on there. Oh yeah. I believe the fish like the new boat as much as I do. Man, that little dude, I can't believe he bent that rod like he did. Huh. Another fish in the boat. We'll get that one rebaited and sent back down. Just to give y'all an idea how picky these fish can be, I noticed that my back two rods were just consistently catching the fish. And I got to looking on my Garmin and I was like, so my boat's 21 feet long, right? My GPS puck is up on the front. Well, I thought I had another bite. But anyway, so I got looking on my Garmin and I'm like 16 feet forward of the fish that I'd marked. Now, the water's running down to the hole. You would think the scent would have went on and I probably should have got another bite, but the back two rods were sitting right in the edge of the hole that I had marked. Anyway, my theory may be wrong because that's the back rod just got hit again. I got some other ones out, got the same baits on them, and I backed up, you know, about 16 feet to put the other rods up toward the front of the boat, right where those have been. But it's still the back rod getting hit, so I don't know. I thought I had it figured out. I was fixing to be all smart and tell y'all what I figured out. We'll see. We'll sit here a little while, see if these rods I got more forward of the boat, see if they start getting hit. Maybe that dude there will come back and get it. I believe we got a fish right here. Oh, yeah. There's another one. See, it goes back to what I was talking about just a minute ago about the boat being too far forward. Now my side rod got a fish. So I believe I was on to something there. Know how some of y'all are out there. You're probably thinking, yeah, he thinks 10, 15 feet's gonna make a difference. I've had a few people reaching out, wanting to know about the boat giveaway. And I put quite a bit of thought into it, and I talked to some other guys who are also doing some things on YouTube. And I think what I'm gonna do is the day I hit 500 subscribers, I'm just shy of 200 now. But the day I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna release the video to do the boat giveaway. So if y'all will help me out, share these videos, help me get them out there. The faster we get to 500 subscribers, the faster we're going to give that boat away. Now if it takes forever, if I'm not to 500 subscribers by, this is July 1st, if I'm not to 500 subscribers by October, November, I may go ahead and just give it away. But it's not easy giving boats away, so I'd like to get a little something out of the deal, but I don't think it's asking too much. Y'all help me share these videos, get my subscriber count up, and we'll get that boat, we'll get that giveaway done and get that boat to somebody who's gonna use it and appreciate it, I hope. But anyway, I think that's the way I want to go about it. If you got any better ideas, I know I've got some guys on here that also have YouTube channels. Just drop them in the comments. Maybe give me some ideas. But right now I'm leaning toward that. I think that's the way I'm going to go. But I am open to suggestion. I just want to help. I want to use that to motivate and help my channel grow. So motivate people, you know, and help my channel grow. But anyway, like I said, if you got any suggestions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The more subscribers I get, the faster the boat's going to be given away. Yeah, that sounds like a good plan. I'll see y'all in the next one.